Deputy Prime Minister and Minister responsible for trade. Like other states, Solomon Islands is committed to its obligations under the MSG, and in particular the MSG trade agreement. There has been varying degrees of implementation and success of the current agreement insofar as the member countries are concerned. As we note, amongst the MSG states, Solomon Islands will, by 2017, liberalize or remove all tariffs in its current trading arrangement with the MSG. Currently, we are on a commitment to reduce those tariffs. Then we will come on par with other MSG member states. We look forward to the new MSG trade agreement, which will go before the Leaders State Summit. We want the trade agreement to do more with trade. It is about integration in Melanesia in a way. The new agreement will go beyond just trade in goods, include services, investment, and so on and so forth. So it will be an attempt to encourage integration in Melanesia. Thank you.
Thank you.